Rhythm Ekkamai Estate. So let's see what they have to offer. This building is beautiful though. Just walking in, look the lights. Hey, look at the little lava rocks or whatever that is. It's beautiful. So this is the lobby. This is nice. Wow. Oh, this is where they get their mail. This is what, hey, these are mailboxes. Wow, this is fancy. Oh, this is nice. Hey, look at the table. Nice wooden, oh, this is, I like when the decoration's thoughtful. This is nice. They have a theater pavilion.
Yes.
What? Hey, look at this. All right, let me get in here because they have a projector. So that's a projector, right?
Yeah, you can watch Netflix, you can watch movie here.
What?
Actually, it's booking. So
oh, you have to book it in order to use it.
Yeah.
Okay. This is soft. Oh, this is like a nice. So, but this is huge. They have a whole extra room. They have the bathroom.
Yeah, just come in
Hey,
together.
go check out the bathroom. So, so the stalls are separate and then it's unisex to come out and wash your hand. Yeah, I like that. And everything is separate. Oh, this is the guy. Look at me all in the guy's business. Everything is censored, see? Wow. So when was this building built? You could tell it's probably a newer building. What?
Yeah, it's a newer building. It's around, let's say, 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, and it's cool in Bangkok because it's this is considered your winter time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you can lounge.
Yeah, good for chill, relax here, right?
Oh, so I'm like, how are you gonna get over there? But you gotta hop on the little concrete pedals. Okay. Yeah, you can come and relax out here. Read a book. Oh, here. Look at all. This looks so good.
So we can get inside any door.
Oh, oh, these are doors.
Any door.
What? Let me sneak through here. Oh, this is nice. Babe, it almost makes you not want to talk too loud, like it's fancy. You got a pool table.
Yeah, if you like.
Wow. Oh, you know how to play pool? What?
Good shot, right?
Yeah. The ball would be flying over if I hit it. Not at all. But this is beautiful. Like, look at all the tables. Oh yeah, this is nice. Definitely. Oh, they even have more space. So this is huge. And then
You can work here, yeah.
yeah,
You have plug here.
they have all the plugs. Hey, this is nice. Oh, I like this. And then if you open this up, all the sun comes in, but you might be hot in here. It depends.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, for now, but this is beautiful. All right, let's go, let's see. Hey, these doors are tripping me out. is this to the BTS? It's
This one, we just came from there, right? I would say 1.2 kilometers.
okay.
So it has shuttle service.
Oh, they have a shuttle
We
service
have
here.
shuttle service.
Okay.
So we just saw when they came in.
Yeah.
Let's say about 5 minutes.
Right.
5 minutes to the BTS.
So this is another co-working space, or just a relaxing space,
Yeah.
whatever you want to do.
It's like lobby. So.
Yeah. But they have a lot of areas that you can go and hide if you want to, you know? And so we walked all the way down to the first floor.
Yeah.
It didn't even seem like it was a long walk down here, you know? But this is nice. Look at the chair. Hey, everything in here is beautiful. Oh, they have a helicopter pad here?
Yeah, the pad.
Hey, just in case I need to call my pilot, my helicopter to
Yeah,
come,
you can call your
come
personal.
get me. Oh, this is nice. Have a lot of space to chill. How would you get any work done here? All they have is places to sit and relax. So this is a garden. So this is the Sky Lounge, the Sky Library. Yeah, Nayu, I see why you love this building.
Yes.
It is just, hey, look at this.
View.
Look at the couch. Just the way it's shaped, I know it's cost a lot of money. Yeah, look at the view. Oh, wow. Yeah. And it's so quiet. Babe, I'm in love with this building too. I'm in love with this building.
Yeah, that's the airport, the BKK airport. If
Oh,
you look
yeah?
further there, the white roof.
Ah.
Yeah, further there, look down, that is the airport.
Oh, I see it. You see it? Yeah, yeah.
So let's
So-
say 30 minutes.
30 minutes, that's
Yeah,
it? Oh, that's
30
not
minutes
bad.
to the airport.
That's not bad. But this is beautiful. Look at all these. Did you see the chandeliers? Hey, all people come in here to do is relax. How can you get any work done? Oh, this is the library. Oh, yeah. So you don't have to book this. You just come here.
Yes, no need.
Okay. Oh, that building looks weird.
That one is Park Origin Thong Long.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Man.
They're still fixing the bridge. No,
Oh, it's not finished yet.
they're still fixing. I mean, it's finished already, but after earthquake, the bridge is like a
Okay,
bit
so after the
dislocated.
earthquake. This is nice. I'm feeling this. I'm digging this building. More?
Onsen.
Oh, bathrooms. They have the bathrooms.
Yeah. Okay, you come with me.
Look, Nayu likes this.
Let me see. Does it has anyone?
Any
here?
guys
No.
in there?
No. Okay, come in.
Okay. Ooh.
What do you see? The sauna.
Oh, this is the sauna? Hey, why are we in the men's room? Why you got me in the men's room?
Big, you know, it looks small, it's big.
Yes, and it's already on. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yeah. We got the little water.
Oh, so hot.
Yeah. No.
It's like nice and
Man.
clean, right? It's named nice and clean.
Yes, everything is very together. Babe, polished. What's your word? Polished.
Yeah, you have to turn around. This is proud to present.
Ooh.
Proud to present.
There is a jacuzzi. What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right now. All right now. I think this is it. I think so.
Yeah.
So this is just for the men,
Just for the men
and the women have
women.
their own.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay. Jacuzzi.
And you just sit and you chillax.
That's
Wait,
big
look at your
sea.
face. Look at your. I wish they could see your face. You changing his mind.
I told you. Don't make a decision yet. That one, look at that big sea right over there.
Oh, so the big
Yeah.
C is right there. You have a supermarket
Big
that's
sea
super convenient.
index living mall, so you can buy stuff like home stuff.
Oh yeah.
And then that's the train. If you can see further there. That's
Yes.
the BTS, the Sukhumvit.
It's right there. Okay.
So that's 5 minutes if you use bike or shuttle. And you can see the river from here. Far away.
Yeah.
The river view.
All right. Hey, look at this.
Good thing is the gym. We use
They have
techno
free
gym
weights.
here. Very high quality of the machine.
Did you see this?
Treadmill with the monitor.
It's monitored. And it's all techie.
Yeah, you can run and then you can, virtual.
Wow.
You can go to US,
Oh,
Mexico,
so you can change the
whatever.
scenery.
Change the
Okay.
scenery.
I'm surprised they don't have a Peloton in here, And then, when you get tired, you can come and watch some TV. If you get tired in the gym, drink your water,
Yeah.
watch a little TV.
Yoga, Pilates.
Oh, so here you can open up your mat.
You can
and
hire a
do-
trainer here, like train boxing,
Okay.
personal trainer.
See where my mind went to relax.
And the view is like around is like the river and then the park, green area over there. Look further there and then you can see the bridge.
Oh, I do see it with
if
the
you
point.
look further, you can see the curve of the river from here.
This was a good choice. This was a good choice. Infinity Edge.
So you can swim around the building.
360. What? Oh, okay. Oh, they try to be the best building in Bangkok. That's what they was trying to do. Hey, what if I didn't see this edge? I'd be right in. You can swim around the
Around.
entire building.
Yes. You just walk around.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, come down.
Oh. Yeah, this is different. I've never, this
Yeah.
building is actually different from any other building I've
Yes.
seen.
Have you seen Sea Life Bangkok?
No.
Sea Life Bangkok at Siam Paragon? Here, Sea Life Bangkok blue. If you go up to swim here, you can see.
Oh, look, man. You can see the person swimming.
Sea Life Bangkok.
And it's another little lounge area.
Yeah. Let's come up here, take view
Oh, wow.
around.
Yeah, and then you come around. We was just there. That's the elevators. Oh.
Some pictures.
Wait, oh.
Yeah, come.
Babe, you on the glass. You gotta come and see.
Come on, yeah.
Look down. And what floor
Oh.
is this?
31st.
At least it will have a break. There's something down there. But if you go on this one,
Yeah, you see
oh gosh, my belly just hurt a little
The
bit.
7th floor we saw, right? We came from that floor.
Yeah. I just felt a little butterflies.
Yeah, the view is like amazing.
Babe, you can feel like you're flying. There's no ground and there's no ceiling. I hope my mama don't see this because she'll be like, Selena,
Step,
what,
step. Yeah,
what are you doing? What are you doing?
yeah, we walk that way.
Oh. See, look at this. You swim. This is like a true infinity pool too because
Yeah, feel the water, it's so cold.
is it? Oh, hey,
Cold,
feel
right?
that water. Woo, that's like river water. Hey, this is not high enough. This should be a little. Woo, this is making my belly got little butterflies.
Here, proud to present here.
Ooh.
Very nice,
Hey.
very nice. Yeah.
You getting this? You getting this? this is nice. Oh yeah. Man, how can you not love this building though?
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It has everything. It has everything. .360 pool, lounge areas, and there's quite a few of them.
Yeah.
So you don't have to come and fight for them.
Yeah. About 6, 7.
And are we going to the room now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, finally.
All right. So is this a brand new unit? Nobody's
Brand
up there
new.
before? Brand new. Okay. Okay.
It's okay.
All right. This is the kitchen. We got some cabinet space. You got the 2 burners. All right. Oh, so the kitchen continued here because I was looking for where the fridge was,
Yeah.
but it's a smaller fridge because if I'm as tall as the fridge, I know it's a little smaller. But they have more space up here, more storage. And then right here is the bathroom. You know, I don't understand why they be putting all these ledges here. They just want me to fall. But the bathroom is nice. More little storage here. You have the shower head. Okay. Your typical bathroom. Oh,
Hello.
we'll get there. Now, all right, this is your dining area. Oh, this is a big TV. More storage. Oh, this is a shoe closet, right? You come in, you put your shoes in here, right? The balcony. Oh. Oh, this is nice. Oh, so you come here and then you gotta open this. Maybe you would like this because you're not totally, open. No. But you see construction's right next door. So you might get a little extra noise or something, but you in Bangkok, you in the city. That's what you get. So how many square meters is this?
35.
35 square meters. Okay. I always gotta check the couches. And this is 1 bedroom, 1 bath, right?
Yes.
So it's smaller than the other one, but you still have a lot of storage. You could put a little chair there. Oh, here's the actual desk. And you have more storage and then the closet. I see you have a lot of space. Even up top. And then you can get to the bathroom this way too. So you have an entry off the bedroom into the bathroom. That's convenient. All right. So the big question, because the building, the unit seems like a lot of other units and stuff like that is not as impressive, but the building is impressive.
Yes.
Yeah, the building is impressive. How much is this one?
This one is 35,000.
35,000 baht.
Yeah,
And that's, you're paying for the building and you're paying for, because you're in Ekkamai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the unit is new.
Yeah. Oh, and this is a brand
Actually,
new unit.
We can find.
All right, we on to the next, y'all. On to the next apartment.
Okay, bye.